So today we are right off the Maurice Bishop Highway. So we are going to go check it out and see what we can get at. Yeah. Let me see what we have in this stuff here. Yeah. Yes. You have the fish? You have fish?
Yeah, but it's going to order.
All right.
One oxtail to go and a pie.
All right. So I'll have rice and peas and you have stewed chicken?
No, jerk.
Everything's jerk?
Yeah.
All right. Is spicy?
No.
Yeah. Okay. I'll have some jerk chicken.
There's jerk pork too.
We have jerk pork too? You have pork? You have pork?
We have pork.
Yeah, man. I'll have the pork.
You want pork?
Yeah, rice.
Just a pound, half a pound.
Just like with the rice and peas.
So that's a quarter pound. Alright, so
Pork is good. Yeah.
one oxtail.
Yeah.
The oxtail.
You like the oxtail? All right. All right. Oh, you're taking some more. All right. So there you have it, guys. I get a suggestion of the pork. So I'll be trying the pork. Thanks for the suggestion. Everything is looking really nice, guys. Really nice. Looking nice. So I am Grenadian, and I am going to try the Jamaican food because I've eaten a lot of Grenadian food already while I'm here, and my wife is Jamaican, so we definitely are okay with Jamaican. So since I've been here, I have eaten a lot of Grenadian food. So I'm gonna take this opportunity right now to enjoy some good Grenadian Jamaican Grenadian food. All right, guys. Yeah.
I'm Grenadian too.
Oh, you're Grenadian, right? And you Jamaican? So I guess it's a normal mix then. It's a right. So I guess Grenadian men no good women though.
Oh yeah.
Right. So we from Canada, so. Yes. It's I met a couple people with the wife is Jamaican and the husband is Grenadian, so I guess it's a good mix. It's a good mix. Yes. Well, we can't help ourselves. We know good thing, right? Right, brother?
I love it. I say that's my spot. I would. I tell them all the time.
And I'm from Manila.
I would choose. It's quiet.
Yeah, Grenada Food TV. So I basically cook our food and explain our food, and then I'll go around trying and stuff. So you definitely guys have to go check it out. Yes. You guys see yourself. So you think Grenada hot than Jamaica? The same? Grenada hot, you know. Grenada. Yeah.
I don't know. I think
Our crab is not as big as you guys' crab though. We got a few little big one here and there, but you guys Jamaicans have some big crabs, man. Yeah, you got some giant crabs. Yeah.
And I went to America and they said, oh, let them take us to this food place. I love crab.
Yeah.
And I order crab. Listen to me. When they bring the crab,
A big boy.
I was like, I said, I don't want it.
That's not too much. You said you can afford it.
I said, I don't want it. No, Lord, I was so shocked in the restaurant. The man said, that's what you ordered. I said, I know, but I don't want it.
Right.
That's the crab. That's called the king crab.
I've never seen a big crab like that.
Yeah.
And I see the crab was so huge. And I'm like, I don't want it.
That's what you wanted.
The guy said, I know, but I
Right.
luxury to have in India.
No, this is a big man.
To see this pick up wickets.
in Jamaica, you don't know where your prime minister lives. You don't know the commission.
It has really only since the birth of the idea India then produces petrol steamers about 140 plus. 85. The Indian boilers have certainly got more at the surface with the new boiler than the English boilers did.
I'm not wrong, just that it
Oh,
just
that's beautiful, man. That's beautiful. Look at that, guys. Beautiful Jamaican jerk. Beautiful. Smell good. Even though it already cooked it, already smell good.
Just go on.
Yeah, man. Nice, man. Nice, man. So you guys come to Grenada, you guys looking for some good Jamaican food,
Real
right?
authentic jerk out of Boston, Portland, Jamaica.
Say that again. Say that
Shut up for
again.
your name.
Say it again.
Authentic Jamaican jerk straight out of Boston, Portland, Jamaica.
Nice.
And if you have never heard about Boston, that's where jerk was originated.
Tell me location.
Home of jerk.
Tell me location.
So right now we are in Grenada, Morris Bishop Highway, 473 exit. Check us out. We have the banners, we have the flags. So anyway, you can't miss it.
You can't miss it.
Jamaica in Grenada.
Jamaica to the world.
Bless.
Yes, man. Thank you. Want some good Jamaican food, guys? You come here. They got it all. They got it all. They got it all.
How much are you?
So that's $6.
What you looking for?
Yeah, you got $1. No man, you have $1.
Open it back.
The one you take out, the big one.
The big one?
Or American money.
Canadian.
That's Canadian. Canadian.
All right.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Sorry.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate it.
You ready?
Yes.
It was so nice meeting
All right, it's nice meeting you guys. Again, you guys want to check it out? It's Grenada Food TV.
Yeah,
Yeah, all right.
I'll be checking out
Next time you try to go to
TV.
Right, yeah, you'll see all the adventure that we have with the crab. Grenada Food TV. That's in it. Grenada Food TV. Right, right.
We'll see you next year.
All right.
I'll look for you.
And I want to share the chair with you.
Yeah, let me just open up that.
We're supposed to help him right here.
Can you? I can't see.
Double click the button.
So I had some of the jerk pro, and it's amazingly amazing. It's beautiful. It's sick color. Beautiful. It's not spicy, so he accommodate the Grenadian. Real good. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.